Hey guys, OneUp Indie coming with the newest iteration of the character creation tool or generator, and here we have now officially the soldier pack is online, so you can grab it at the link in the description below if you for example like, and just a few things. So for basically I added a new state which you're seeing here. For melee weapons it is basically a block state. For example here something like this, pretty cool actually as a spell. Or if you have a ranged weapon then you're attacking here, and then well, you can see actually the information. And then for example on this state, which was normally for the attack, it is still for the melee weapons, but if you go have a ranged weapon then boom, you have a new reload animation in there, which is pretty sweet. And of course this works dual also. So basically this is a modular build for your convenience. So what kind of monstrosities can you build here? Well, the Tsar with the bazooka or I don't know, you can have now a blocking wizard, or I don't know, officer. So basically you can actually create now your own soldiers, because this is the soldier pack, and of course all the other stuff which was previous there is in there also. So just hopefully you enjoyed this, and then I guess the next package will be a choice. I'm not sure about this, maybe. So see you in the next one. Have a good one. OneUp Indie.